All aboard the A to Z train, riding through sunshine, snow, and rain. Every letter has a place to go. Chugga chugga chew, let's roll, let's roll. A is the apple and shiny and red. B is for balloons that float overhead. C is for cats that dance in a row. D is for dinosaurs waving hello. E is for elephants splashing a stream. F is for fireflies glowing and gleam. G is for giraffes reaching up high. H is for helicopters zooming the sky. All aboard the A to Z train, riding through sunshine, snow, and rain. Every letter has a place to go. Chugga chugga chew, let's roll, let's roll, let's roll. I is for ice cream melting so sweet. J is for jelly beans, a rainbow tree. K is for kites that fly in the breeze. L is for lions napping with ease. M is for monkeys swinging in trees. N is for nests where birds feel at ease. O is for octopus deep in the sea. P is for penguins who slide happily. Q is for quilts all cozy and warm. R is for rainbows after the storm. S is for stars that twinkle at night. T is for trains with their lamps shining bright. U is for umbrellas in colors so bright. V is for violins playing tonight. W is for whales who sing in the deep. X is for xylophones playing us to sleep. Y is for yachts that sail far away. Z is for zebras ending our day.